Ruhonge ruru rwa ukui ruratara hathara ino kumanagia na kuongerereka gwa thogora wa mahuthiro wa kumagia ciringi birioni 106 mwaka wa 2017 nginyagia ciringi birioni 114 mwaka muthiru.
So that has a huge importance in the way we operate and the way we think, because whoever comes from this market to this market and to compete with us is competing about a small pie, even though it's something that is growing and we see more and more passengers coming.
No ikiringithanio na hathara iria kambuni ino yathire mwaka wa 2017, hathara ino ni nyihite kumagia ciringi birioni 9.4.
On one side, you have a very good news, which we keep repeating, and that's being analyzed. Africa has the highest growth potential.
Thogora wa mahuthiro ma maguta ukiongerereka na gicunji kia 40% kia mahuthiro, igithingatwo ati kambuni ino ni irakoretwo yambiriria thabari cia imwe kwa imwe nginyagia bururi wa New York mwaka muthiru.
All of us competing for a small pie that is growing quickly, and that creates an awkward situation, because on one side we should be very happy and we should just buy planes and we should just open destinations because all the statistics are indicating that there will be more passengers, but the problem is that everybody noticed, and this small pie, everyone wants the biggest share of it.
Mahuthiro ma kambuni ino makirugamira ciringi milioni 683 na faida ikirugamira ciringi birioni 518. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Ani Ngigĩ Wanyamu.